Hey guys, it's Timara. I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make our hot and spicy gumbo. So if you're excited to see what this recipe is about, get thick this quarantine, is that how you say it? Quarantine? Then keep watching.
We have to self-quarantine, but this is a normal thing, what we do on a weekly basis, that we just have family and food. So stay tuned. I'll be right back with my guests to show you how we do gumbo.
Our roux is going to basically comprise of two things. It's going to be flour, grapeseed oil. Now you want to turn this up enough that you can get a light boil. Here's how you test it to make sure you know the oil is hot enough. Just take a little pinch of the flour and drop it in there, and you'll see it start to kind of sizzle and go away. That's what we're looking for. Again, I'm going to add it in slow so that it doesn't just clump up on me. And make sure that you keep mixing it. You cannot over mix the roux. If you don't mix it and you don't keep stirring it, the roux will burn very, very quickly.
So if you burn the roux or mess up the roux, definitely your gumbo is totally ruined.
If you burn it, just completely start over, because it won't be good from that point forward. And it's probably going to take about 20 minutes of sitting here stirring this. So you got to be patient during this process.
Young B, how's it going over there with you?
I'm good. I'm getting the sausage already formed. So when he's finished with the roux, these ingredients will come with it. We dice this up in advance.
They are pretty sleep on the seafood part of the gumbo, but I definitely want to add some shrimp into mine. And I'm going to drop them in whenever I make my personal plate. If you and everyone else in your family likes the same things, you can add it all into the roux and gumbo. But since I'm outnumbered here, I have to add my shrimp to my own personal plate. But hey, if they sleep on you, they sleep on you. Period, poo. Excuse me?
Make sure you tell them you got some people that have some allergies to these kind of things.
Allergies. They sleep on the shrimp. Lemon pepper. Got a little seasoned salt. This is gonna be so good. I can't wait to eat this gumbo, watch me a movie, relax in quarantine. I'm gonna do this about 70 times. I can't believe my eyes are watering like this. I'm just gonna do it with my eyes closed. Hopefully I get in the bowl.
About a tablespoon of thyme. Can't go wrong with pepper. It has a nice ethereal flavor to it. With salt, it's one of those things that you can add but you can't quite take away. So I'm just gonna go a little bit lighter on the salt. Some seasoning salt. We'll throw in some cayenne pepper, give us some of that spicy gumbo she was talking about earlier. What we're gonna do next is we're gonna add the onions in here. Get those caramelized, get that flavor up in there. And that is going to have celery, green peppers, red peppers, and yellow peppers. And as soon as you add those vegetables, what you got to be ready for is to add your chicken stock. This is going to get thick real fast. As you can see, it gives us a nice color, nice mixture. I'm going to go ahead and add our chicken stock. Because we're doing a big pot, we usually add 2. Add that seasoning mix that we put together before. Add the meat in here. Go ahead and get that going. Now it's ready to simmer, so we're going to bring it back to a nice little boil. Then we're going to cover it up
So as you can see, we're just waiting patiently for our gumbo to thicken up, just like we're waiting for ourselves to patiently thicken up. But we also have our rice on, and I just finished, are you okay over there? I just finished my shrimp. Okay, this needs to hurry up, or I'm gonna eat all the shrimp like it's popcorn. All right, that's enough. My granny's about to whip up some cornbread for us because like I said, this isn't just a regular recipe. This is a hot and spicy, get thick gumbo. So it's been about an hour and 30 minutes since we've been simmering, and I think that the gumbo is finally ready.
We use parboiled rice, but you can use any kind of rice that you like.
So what does a plate look like? Oh my goodness.
Just dip you some food over there, some gumbo, and then you get that sauce. Don't forget your pot liquor. That's the most roux. That's the most important part. There you go. Wonderful, wonderful,
wonderful. And here is the gumbo prepared. You can eat it either with the rice and like your toppings on it, or if you like it a little bit more soupy like I do, you can make it soupy. Okay guys, that was our hot and spicy gumbo recipe. I can't wait to just sit back, relax, and enjoy my meal with my family in this quiet time of peace and healing and manifestation just happening. So hopefully you make this gumbo recipe. If you make it, definitely write me on Instagram or tag me and tell me how you liked our hot and spicy gumbo recipe. What's your favorite part of the gumbo?
Time with the family, the time that we do this together, because this is a joint thing to do. So when we do this together, that's my favorite time, that we're actually doing this together.
Right. So forget the shrimp, the sausage, the chicken, the peppers. It's about the family time.
That's exactly it.
And until next time, it's about health, it's about lifestyle, it's about focus. It's Timara.
Hey.